Okay, so this is part 2, video part 2. Part 1 was explaining how to get the Star Trek Communicator Beep ringtone onto your iPhone using GarageBand. I've since recorded it from a laptop, and the laptop was nice and loud, and it was a nice quiet room, and I got quite a good result. So I'm now going to call it now on this phone, and you'll see it ring. So it's calling it now. It's quite loud. I've got the volume about 3/4 up. And I think the gap is just about right. So that's the ringtone. Now another good thing, if you want it even more realistic, is when you answer the phone it automatically goes to loudspeaker, and when you make a call it automatically goes to loudspeaker. You don't have to select it, it's just there. So what you do is you go to settings, you go to general, then you go to accessibility, and then you go down to call audio routing. Click on that, and then you select speaker. So then when you make a call it'll automatically go on to loudspeaker. So I'll show you what I mean. If I make a quick call, get the keypad up. Now I'm not going to select loudspeaker, it'll go straight to it. I'm sending now, straight to loudspeaker.
Hello and thank you for calling Vodafone.
So even more realistic. Thanks for watching.